In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for content creation. This is a simple workflow for turning existing materials into clear, usable content all in one place. As you follow along, focus on the three main areas of the screen: your sources on the left, the chat in the center, and the studio tools on the right. First, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once it loads, you will land on the main dashboard where your notebooks live. Think of a notebook as a project folder for a single topic, client, or content idea. Next, create a fresh workspace by clicking +Create New on the dashboard. This gives you a clean notebook where you can gather references and start generating content based on them. Naming your notebook clearly can help you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple pieces of content over time. Now you will add your research. In the Upload pop-up, select the sources you want to use. You can bring in PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your drive. As soon as you upload them, they will appear in the source panel on the left. These sources are the foundation for everything Notebooklm produces, so choose materials that match your topic closely. If you have several sources, try to include a mix, such as a guide, a transcript, and a reference document, to improve coverage and accuracy. Once your sources are in place, move to the chat panel in the center, type a clear question about your material, and submit it. Notebooklm will respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Use those citations to quickly verify where each claim came from and to jump directly back into the source when you need context. This is especially useful when you are drafting scripts, outlines, or summaries, and you want to stay aligned with your references. When you are ready to create deliverables, go to the Studio panel on the right. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant outputs from your uploaded sources. These tools help you turn research into ready-to-use formats faster, while still grounded in your materials. Finally, whenever you get a helpful response in chat, click Save to Note. This lets you collect strong snippets, outlines, and key points in one place for easy reuse later. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.